Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Shake Reduction tool lets you manually adjust an image to remove the blur or shake from the image that comes from holding your camera or phone while taking a picture. This is handy if you use your phone to take selfies or other photos that may appear blurry. This tool lets you manually adjust the image if you do not like the results produced by the Auto Shake Reduction tool. To manually reduce the blur from a photo, first select the photo to edit. Then select Enhance, Shake Reduction from the menu bar. The Shake Reduction dialog box opens and shows a selection box over your image. Click and drag the resizing handles on the selection box to change its size. Use the sensitivity slider to adjust the amount of sharpening to perform in the image. You can also use the Add Another Shake Region button at the bottom of the dialog box to add a new region to sharpen. You can use the Show Hide Magnifier Window button to show or hide the magnifier window. Use the Before-After toggle to change the display of the picture from the before picture to the after picture. When you have finished adjusting your picture, click the OK button to apply your changes and close the dialog box. You will then need to save your new photo before closing Photoshop Elements. While Shake Reduction can help a slightly blurry picture appear clearer, it will not remove the blur from an extremely blurry image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.